Here are some common sentences in French using the reflexive verb se lever to get up, to rise, along with their English meanings. Je me lève à 7 heures. I get up at 7 o'clock. Tu te lèves tôt le matin. Do you get up early in the morning? Il se lève toujours en retard. He always gets up late. Nous nous levons pour le hymne national. We rise for the national anthem. Vous vous levez à quelle heure le week-end? What time do you get up on weekends? Elles se lèvent avant le lever du soleil. They get up before sunrise. Lève-toi, on va être en retard. Get up, we're going to be late. Je me suis levé de bonne heure aujourd'hui. I got up early today.
The French verb se laver is an essential reflexive verb, meaning to wash oneself. Let's delve into how to conjugate it and look at some examples. Je me lave les mains. This means I wash my hands. Tu te laves le visage. In English, this translates to you wash your face. Il se lave les cheveux. That means he washes his hair. Elle se lave les dents. She brushes her teeth. Literally, she washes her teeth. Nous nous lavons avant le dîner. We wash ourselves before dinner. Vous vous lavez les pieds. You wash your feet. Ils se lavent tous les jours. They wash themselves every day. Je me lave à l'eau froide. I wash myself with cold water. Tu te laves après le sport. Do you wash yourself after sports? Lavez-vous bien. Wash yourselves well.